Hello and howdy friends, all of you are most welcome in your loving one person family. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and paint a picture. Later I will carry you soon in a new journey of story, rising from the ashes. So now let's go. Once upon a time, in a quaint village surrounded by dense forests and flowing rivers, lived a young woman named Elara. She was known for her boundless energy and infectious optimism. Elara had a dream of becoming an artist. Her heart and soul poured into every stroke of her paintbrush. Her art was a vibrant reflection of the beauty she saw in the world. One fateful night, a fierce storm swept through the village, bringing with it a devastating fire. The blaze consumed everything in its path, including Elara's home and her precious studio. As she stood amidst the charred remains of her dreams, Elara felt her spirit crumbling, her canvases, her tools, her years of hard work, everything was gone. For days, Elara wandered aimlessly, her heart heavy with sorrow, but deep within a small ember of hope still glowed. She recalled the stories of her grandmother, told her about the mythical phoenix, a bird that rises from its ashes more magnificent than before. Inspired by this tale, Elara decided to rebuild her life piece by piece. Elara gathered the villagers who were also recovering from their losses. Together, they cleaned the debris, salvaged materials, and began to rebuild their homes. Elara's spirit became a beacon of hope for the entire village. She started painting again, this time using the ashes from the fire to create new hues and textures. Her art evolved, capturing the resilience and beauty of rebirth. Months passed, and Elara's painting gained again recognition beyond the village. People were drawn to the powerful stories they told of loss, hope, and renewal. Her art became a symbol of strength and resilience, inspiring countless others to rise from their own ashes. And last moral of the story is, no matter how devastating the loss, the spirit within us can always find a way to rise again. With hope, determination, and the support of community, we can turn out our darkest moment into our greatest strengths. Just like the phoenix, we too can emerge from the ashes more beautiful and stronger than ever before. Remember one most important thing, this story is not about the fall, but about how you rise after it. Keep believing in your inner phoenix. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you. Goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist.
When forever finally ends, all the promises are broken. No more fights to pick up the pieces. I left you with the parts of me I don't wanna see.